Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about how to check your call history on iPhone after it's been deleted. Now before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, now let's get into it. Now the issue is that your recent contacts and the contact information has been deleted. It may be due to some issue, or you might have cleared it and you want to get it back. Now to do this, you have to make sure that you've already backed up your contacts and your recents. And if you had that enabled and you had that backed up, so what you want to do is you want to go to settings and then select your account name on the top here where it says your name. And then once you select that, you want to select iCloud at the bottom here, and then you select manage account storage. And then you can find a section called backups in the manage account storage settings, and then you want to select this iPhone. And then you will basically have it say last backup. So my last backup was quite some time ago because I haven't really backed up my contact or anything else. So if you had it backed up some time ago or any date that you had backed it up, the date will basically show up here. It'll basically say last backup and the date right next to it. So if you already had that and you had already backed up your contacts and everything in your phone, then what you want to do is you want to go to the settings main page, and then you want to go to general, and then you go to transfer or reset iPhone settings, and then you want to select erase all content and settings. And once you continue, you'll have to add your passcode and all that stuff. And then once you reset your phone, it'll basically turn on again. And then what you want to do is you want to restore your backup. That'll basically restore all your contacts, your recents, and all that information. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching.